Hi everyone! Smart Lists in the REW CRM is a dynamic way for real estate professionals to filter and organize data with real-time accurate information, which can ultimately result in better lead conversion. This tool allows you to categorize your leads, agents, deals, and sources based on specific filters you input. So in this video tutorial, I'll walk you through how Smart Lists work and how these intelligent filters can optimize your CRM data management. So let's get started. Log into the REW CRM and navigate to the CRM homepage. On the left side of the screen, you can see my current saved Smart Lists. If I click through this, you can see the list of leads filtered within this specific list. Now, let's run through the filters. Click on the blue Lead Filters button. A flyout will appear. And if you click on the Add a Filter drop-down, you will see the list of filters you can use for your leads. Use this to filter data, such as a lead source, their activity level, cities, or to find out which leads need actioning. There are tons of ways to narrow down your data, but to exactly what you need. Now, let's say I wanted to know how many leads have outstanding action plans due. I'm going to select the Action Plan Has Due Task filter. And I'll keep this marked as Is True. If I click on Apply, the system will show me that I currently have 8 leads that need actioning. Let's take it one step further. Say I want to see which of these leads are assigned to me. Select the Agents option. In the Has section, select an agent. In this case, I'm the marketing admin. Hit Apply again to see your new search results. The system is now telling me that I have 4 leads who are assigned to me that require actioning. Use as many filters as you wish within your search to better refine your results. Let's look at some of the Smart Lists I have saved. If I select Google PPC and click on Lead Filters, you can see that my search is based on leads who are assigned to Google PPC via sources. Looking into my active last 7 days Smart List, this is filtering leads that have been active within the last 7 days. Manage your Smart Lists by simply clicking on Manage Smart Lists. You can edit or delete any existing Smart Lists from here. Use the drag and drop function to sort your lists the way you want it displayed on your screen. To add a new Smart List, select the blue plus button. Just like previously, add in your filters. This time, I'm going to create a list filtering all my hot leads. And I want leads with a maximum budget of $900,000. Click on Save and give the Smart List a name. Finally, hit Save again. My new Smart List has now been added to the system, and it tells me that I have 176 leads within this criteria. That was easy, right? Just a reminder, Smart Lists are available for all our CRM pages and not just limited to the Leads homepage. Use the same method for the Agents, Deals, and Sources pages. Whether you're wanting to find out agents' response times, deals closed within the last month, or commissions made through sources, these filters will guarantee you efficiency, giving you more time to strategize on your lead workflow. To make your workflow even smoother, you can customize your dashboard view so you can easily see the most important data in your Smart Lists at a glance. Let's edit my lead pages view. Click on the View button. And within the drop-down, hit Manage Views. This modal will display your available views. Similar to Smart Lists, you can drag and drop, edit, and delete your views here. Click on the blue plus button to add a new view. Open the drop-down, and you will be able to see all the available columns you can add to your view. Select the columns you wish to add, and you will see it added in real time to your page. Hit Save and give your new layout view a name. Click on Save again and your new view will be added. If you click on the View drop-down once again, you can see your new layout view. Easily switch views by selecting another from the list. It's that easy. And that's about it. Manage your data the way you want to see it. If you have any questions or want to know more on smart lists, please reach out to us at rew.com or join the conversation on our forums page. Thanks for watching.